How to fix TikTok privacy settings. So if you want to fix your TikTok privacy settings, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need to simply open up your TikTok application. Once you're on your profile, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that three horizontal lines, and then tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you can go with the privacy option, which is on the second. And here you can select private account if you want to go with a private account, or you can also select a public account. And after that, activity status, if you want to show that you're active on TikTok, then you can go and toggle it on. And if you don't want to show, or if you don't want the other people to know that you're using TikTok or that you're active on TikTok, then you can turn it off. And the third one is suggest your account to others. So if you want your account to be in the suggestions list of the others, then you can go with this option, and then you can allow the contacts, allow the Facebook friends and people who open or send links to you. You can toggle it on and sync contact and Facebook friends. If you want to add your contacts or your Facebook friends on your TikTok, then you can turn this on. And under interactions, you can go with comments. And if you want to make it private, you can select no one, which I've already selected. But if you want to make it public, or if you want all of the other people to comment on your post, then you can go with followers or your friends. And in the same way, you can go with each of the other options on your interactions and then adjust accordingly. So these are the TikTok privacy settings, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.